Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking down what matters, a single clear goal and a realistic budget. Once done, install tracking, pixel, and conversion tags so you actually measure results, not guesses. Create initial campaign structure with one objective, one audience, and one creative set to avoid noise. Make sure your landing page loads fast and matches the ad message. That alignment improves conversions and lowers cost. Start small, because early data tells you which elements to scale or drop. Now you execute detailed work. Write multiple headlines and vary visuals so you can quickly learn what resonates. Once your ad variations are live, segment targeting into core demos, custom lists, and one lookalike to control cost and reach. Optimize bids with a clear strategy, manual for control, automated for scale, and schedule experiments for at least 1 week to gather reliable signals. Make sure to track engagement and conversion rates daily. That tells you which creative target combos deserve budget. You finish by rolling out in phases. Test small, optimize, then scale budget in predictable steps so algorithms adapt. Once live, monitor CPA, CTR, conversion rate, and ROAS. Use those metrics to decide which ads to amplify. Make iterative creative updates weekly and refresh audiences monthly to avoid fatigue. If performance drops, isolate one variable at a time, creative, audience, or bid, so you can quickly identify the issue. Pause the worst performers and reallocate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.